What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to yet another video on this channel. And in this busy festival time, it seems like OnePlus is also busy, and that's why they are pushing updates over updates for the OnePlus 8T. So today I got this OTA notification for the latest 11.0.4.5 update, and this is like third update in 3 weeks if I am correct. So many updates as the device is relatively new and people are facing issues from battery backup to camera quality. And all this can be seen in Amazon reviews too. And because of that, ratings have been falling like crazy, both of the OnePlus Nord and 8T. And that is what happens when software is buggy and hardware is capable enough. Anyways, coming back to the update. So I think it has been tested by OnePlus because there was no need to use Oxygen Updater application. And the notification just popped up on my device. So in case you haven't got the OTA notification, you can go to settings. Now go to system. Now click on system updates and let the device check for updates. So you will get the update on your device, and now just click on download and install and wait for a couple of minutes till the whole process is completed. So the changelog seems quite big, but I see a couple of repeated changes from the last one. So now click on reboot and the device will get updated to the latest OxygenOS 11.0.4.5 successfully. Let's have a look at the changelog now, and I do see a long list of changes. So first of all, in the system level changes, I see a couple of repeated ones. And I don't know why, but the improved mistouch prevention was already added in the last update itself. The second one, that is the alert slider toast message, well, that was also in the last update, and you can refer the previous video for the same. Third one in this list is the issue with status bar. So while using the device in landscape mode, well, that was also in the last update. And I don't know what kind of changelog is this. Moving on to the next one, that is the optimized call stability, and this I can definitely confirm, because after the last update I was facing issue with voice over Wi-Fi calls, and in the rest of scenarios they were all fine and clear. So I turned it off, but I did try it again after this update, and it's quite better than before as of now. But I will update in case I start facing that similar issue again. Coming to the other fix, that is the improved power consumption. So I do have to test it a bit more, at least for a couple of days. Everything seems good so far, and the battery drain is also quite less as it was for me after the last update. So no worries here. But I'll keep you posted in the comment section for any updates, so subscribe if you haven't already. Well, I do see other repeated changes mentioned in the changelog too, so you can refer to the previous video for most of the changes mentioned in the system part. Coming to the camera part, well, the version of camera application is similar as before. So don't expect any changes as such, because even the changelog is similar to what was there with the previous update. Oh yeah, and that issue with NFC has been fixed in case you are wondering. So in case you use that, well, that has also been taken care of with this update. Last but not the least, in the network part, there are certain fixes. The first one, in simple terms, states that if you had any network intensity issues or signal drops, well, you will not face or face lesser of those dropouts, which in my case it has been okay for the most part, and I am expecting voice over Wi-Fi to create less issues now. And before I sign off, let's check out the benchmark scores first. So after the last update, the scores were something like 890 for the single core and 3129 for the multi-core department, which was slightly less than the previous version, but after this update, the scores are now to all-time high of 890 in single core and 3235 in the multi-core department. So in case you are into numbers, this will make you happy. Anyways, that's it for all the changes you get with this latest OxygenOS update. So do like this video if it helps you out, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So I'll see you in the next one.